Hello, this is Bobby Taylor from the U.S. and come over here from Kentucky. Had an agency there for marketing, internet sales and marketing, and we're going to start an agency here in Bangkok. Our goal is to have a specialized person on in every category, like somebody in video, someone in Facebook advertising, Instagram, someone in especially builds funnels. We have a funnel program that we help companies do sales like their products. We build a custom funnel for them to run traffic to. We help you get traffic. We're doing a mastermind real soon. If you leave your name and number in there, so we'll be sure to send you the information on that. It's going to be next month. We really are wanting to highlight today this little site you see behind us. It's really inexpensive videos, intros, outros. Some of the ads are for especially like real estate or doctors or dentists. Really a super good deal if you have your own graphics people, your own social media people, advertising agency. You can get these videos. You can see them on the screen here that we're pricing them so low as an entry level. They sell on the internet for around $100, and we got them here for $20 if you want to do your own. And we're going to be offering kind of a entry level to introduce us to the marketplace here. We're going to be doing a small, very low priced product offering for advertising on social media. We're going to offer you clip art and ads to fit right in social media like Instagram and Facebook. We're going to have all those available. We also offer a research if you're a dentist or if you're a dog trainer or whatever. We will do research for you. We offer that service and see what your competition is selling and how they're doing their ads, if they're getting a lot of content interaction on Facebook. And we've got research tools that we can do that for you. So we want to introduce ourselves right now. We will be notifying you about the mastermind and all our tools for do-it-yourself or done for you. We do it for you, or we sell you the tools that you can do it yourself. And we just want to introduce ourselves. Like I said, my name is Bobby Taylor. I've got a couple partners here, and put your name and number in the login, and we'll be in touch. Have a great day.